Today I start with something small, a circle round, that's just a ball. A little line here, and colors too. My picture grows, I watch it do. Circles, lines, and fantasy, I draw with heart, it's part of me. I sketch what deep inside me grows, until my picture comes and glows. Practice makes the master, it's true. I'll keep going, see it through.
If you enjoyed the video and don't want to miss any new ones, subscribe to the channel now and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment if you like or share the video with your friends. See you soon.